Good morning, this is my activity What Would Have Happened If Forum by Viviana Ramirez, English Intermediate 1, teacher Angela Garzón. My experience, trip to Santa Marta. What did it happen? I'm going to talk about a negative anecdote that I had 5 years ago. My husband's brothers, my daughter, and I went on vacation and decided to go to the Lost City. Is the archaeological site of an ancient city in Colombia's Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta. The husband's brothers were arguing about driving direction, and the oldest brother told my husband to turn off the GPS, insisting that he knows the way. My husband agreed, and we got lost, and we never reached to the Lost City, and we wandered in the car for 4 hours. This happened on Tuesday, 29th June 2017. All started because my husband's older brother doesn't like technology, and that's why he did not want to use GPS. I felt very frustrated because I wanted to go to the Lost City soon, but I have a lot of patience and entertain my daughter so she would not get irritated. I feel disappointed with my brother-in-law, with his arrogant attitudes, always being right, lack of respect for the opinions or ideas of others. I was impressed in a good way because they had respect among everyone, and they never blamed my brother-in-law, and they did not fight with him. How did this story finish? Unfortunately, I can only regret having been ignored. After our tour on the route, we all went over to the Rocoto restaurant. The food was so delicious that we forgot our problem. I longed to get to the Lost City, and I was disappointed don't go. But my family is really nice. We share life with each other. Anyway, I regret a bit not having spoke in time with my brothers-in-law, and I demand that he listen to me, and I convince him to use GPS to get to the Lost City. We arrived at our destination and we were happy. Thanks.